Hello, everybody. Joe Malone here, coming to you live on Dallas Trading Floor. It is Tuesday, and the market is it's continuing to move up. It was off a little bit yesterday at the end of the day. By the way, if you're looking on TikTok and you want to ask a question on chat, it's very easy to do. Just go to this address, bit.ly/DTF 403. That's the name. That's the number of the show today, and we hopefully will get to everybody's questions as quickly as we can today. Just wanted to tell you some of the stocks that I've been buying today. I did buy the GBTC again. I want to show you this really quickly because this might be of interest to some of the people that want to get some exposure to Bitcoin. Now, there was a new there was a new ETF that came out today, and that is goodness gracious, and I had this on the little TikTok. That's BITO, I think it is. Let's just take a look at that one. BITO. I think it's yeah, this is pro. Yeah, this is the Pro Series Bitcoin strategy. Today it kind of almost just did nothing really. It just came out today. Came out 41.94. Now this is a little bit different than the GBTC in that this one is just dealing with the futures only. With the futures only on this one. So this is a little bit different. I did not buy this one. I'm going to wait, of course, like I always do on IPOs, typically for it to form an IPO base. But Bitcoin has been doing very, very well. A lot of inflation fears. The one that I did add to, though, is the GBTC, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC. And I did do an ad on this one, as you can see. I've been buying it as it's moved above this very, very critical, I don't know if you can see it here, 200-day line. I did buy some more today at 48.21. It's closed up. I'm up a little bit, about 60 cents on it, but it's up very nicely today, 6.94%. Now, is it going to hold this well? It looks like it has come through a little bit of resistance. I was buying buying last week I was buying last week, and then the week before I was buying at 42, 44, and then 48. So I've been buying this as it's been moving up. Been moving my stop loss up on this one, and this one might be of interest to you because it's a good way to get exposure to Bitcoin, and that can be a very, very, very good thing. So let's take a look at some of the questions. Thanks. I'm not going to go through kind of an abbreviated show today just because unfortunately I was busy with a lot of stuff going on. But let's look at coin, and that's really interesting too because there's several other stocks that have Bitcoin exposure. I haven't been in coin since it IPO'd. I bought it on the IPO and then I had bought up. So I want to show you this chart on coin. Good question. Thank you very, very much for this. Basically, it's moved. This is the reversal line on it. Very nice. It's moved, and this is potentially where we can probably start getting into it. It's moved above that 294 critical level. That's the intermediate high. Of course, it came out here just and it rocketed up over to 400. I basically bought it and then I sold it as it rocketed up. Now the way I did that, of course, was that I bought it and then I just moved my stop loss up. So no real magic here, but this one may be getting ready to buy finally, and it's trading above that critical 40-day line. The relative strength is moving up very, very nicely, and this is one thing that we've got very nice. Look at that volume. Look at that volume that's coming in there. Very good. Also with the increase in share price. So not only is the volume going up, the increase in share price. So this is definitely being accumulated, and it's got a 67 checklist. This is sort of my minimum on the checklist, but it's looking quite good. So I think that you could definitely do something here with Coinbase. So with Coinbase, I think you could possibly start moving into it. I'm not into it currently, but I think what you definitely could do is 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 possibly start to accumulate here. So that's kind of what that's kind of what I'm looking at doing, and I'm not currently in this one, but I think coin is looking pretty good. So that's kind of my. So I definitely think this is a possible place to start accumulation right about 300. So now that it's above 300, I think that potentially is very good because this is the higher high. I just kind of want to draw this line here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set an alert on that line, and there you go. And so it's really this 295 level is really the key level here for this. So really, I think it's starting to be viable as it's made this move. Now, this is a little bit extended off of the 10-day line. I have a little bit of worry buying here because it is extended about, and I'm just going to give you an exact number. It's extended 15% off the 10-day line. I typically like to buy them no more than about 10% above that 10-day line. So it's extended right now, but you could possibly start looking to accumulate this here. But it is extended, so you got to be careful. And it's extended. So be careful here, accumulating. But I do like this one, and I do like the area that it's in. I think Bitcoin, um, you know, Bitcoin could be. Oops. Let's see if I can. Let's see if it'll let me. It won't let me. Oh goodness gracious! I'm having a new, again, always an issue with browsers. Let's see if it will. Yeah, possibly start to accumulate here as well. So for some reason, I am not they're not allowing me to change out these banners. So let's see if I can do it. All right. Anyway, so that's that. Let's look at Disney and Fuel Cell. See if there's anything there we can grab onto. Disney, still Disney is still below the reversal, so I would wait. I would definitely wait on this one. Let's see if it's letting me giving me some more banners. Let me do that. Um, Okay, it doesn't let me for some reason. Well, I can't put it. I can't. I'm having trouble with this. Why is this such a problem? Okay. All right. Let's see if I can edit this here. All right. All right. That's okay. Well, I can't do anything. So I'm having issues with this. I'm going to screenshot this and see why I'm having such issues with the Chrome browser. And I'm hopefully going to send that off to the StreamYard people that I'm using there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to well, I can't do that, can I? So I'll just have to go on with the show. That's what we're going to have to do. We're just not going to have the banners here. All right. So let's just go on with the show. All right, Atlassian. Let's look at Atlassian, which is Team. Look at that chart here. Looking good. Not really any place to buy it right now, though. It's extended. So I think on this one, you've got to be careful. The stock is extended right now, so I would be careful buying at this point. So what I would do with Atlassian Team, I would be I would be accumulating it, but it is extended. So God, I'm having trouble again with my browser here. Sorry about this. I'm trying to size it. Yeah, and I'm having issues. Okay, so let me just. Okay, let's see. Let me see if I can go back here. I'm having some settings issues here. Why am I not seeing this? Um, hmm, well, that's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Um, hmm. Let me see if I can re-enter the broadcast. Um, let me see if I can do this uh, with a different browser. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can. Oh, gosh, let's see if I can enter the. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to enter the studio here, and then I'm going to